Let's talk about row reduction on a TI-83 or TI-84. We can use the TI to find the row echelon or reduced echelon form of a matrix. Let's do this for the matrix 1240, 2150, 0110. Press matrix. Okay, notice matrix is up here, and the way we access those yellow commands is by pressing second and then that button. So second and then inverse, X inverse. Choose edit, and then A, so you have to use the right arrow to get to edit, and then A is the default, so you don't need to go down, just A and then enter. Enter the dimensions of the matrix, in this case 3 by 4, so it's 3 enter, 4 enter. Enter the elements of the matrix, 1 enter, 2 enter, 4 enter, 0 enter, 2 enter, etc. Then when you're done, quit. Press quit, which is second and mode. Let's find the reduced echelon form of the matrix. So press matrix, choose math, and then you have to scroll down quite a bit with the down arrow to get to ref. So once you get to ref, press enter. Then press matrix again and choose math, comma names. And then A. A is the easiest one, that's the default, so you don't have to scroll down. And then you press the right parenthesis to close the parenthesis and then enter. You should get this. So your reduced echelon form is going to be 1020, 0110, 0000. So here's a summary of all the commands, in case you need it. What if you have more rows than columns? If there are more rows than columns, so for example, if you have, let's say you have a 4 by 3 matrix, something like that. The TI refuses to find the reduced echelon form of the matrix, absolutely refuses. The solution is to add dummy columns consisting entirely of zeros so that the matrix has the same number of rows and columns. Then ignore the dummy columns when you use ref to get the answer. So in other words, you would just make a 4 by 4 matrix instead of a 4 by 3, make a 4 by 4, and that last column is just going to be zeros.